In 12 years, Jordan will leave his school life behind. Preparation for this journey begins today. Technology is ever evolving. Have you ever wondered what will make his path to 2035 easier?
What is the weather?
It's currently partly cloudy and 28 degrees.
MC 4.0 will fulfill all his needs and follow along his path. A multi-coding stackable kit that accompanies his journey through life in an ever-changing world. MC 4.0 amplifies the way he lives and supercharges his skills. Jordan, in 2035, is already ahead of his time, confident, comfortable, and ready to take on life. Are you ready to grow ahead?